Hi everyone, Nikki here from Fine & Country, and I'm here with your market update for February. The start of 2023 is looking brighter than the rather chaotic final quarter of 2022. A mixed picture has been painted so far, with realism being set to be critical for sellers transacting over the coming months. So, the Bank of England have indicated mortgage approvals were at their lowest level since the global financial crisis, down by nearly a third quarter on quarter. However, Rightmove have reported that the number of prospective buyers contacting agents was up 4% at the start of the year compared to the last normal market in 2019. We are seeing an increase in requests for valuations, and the 5th of January was reported to be the third busiest day ever for requests, hopefully a sign of the future demand. Although the base rate has risen to 4%, we are starting to see it stabilising and remaining below 4.5%. There are signs that inflation, the rate at which prices grow, has peaked, and the latest independent forecast released by HM Treasury paints an optimistic picture. These factors, along with the latest forecast for the UK's economy, mean that mortgage approvals are likely to settle. All of this giving people more confidence than in the final quarter of last year. To be successful in achieving a sale, sellers need to ensure their aspirations align with the current market conditions, which is that the rate of house price growth is continuing to moderate, and nationwide have reported marginal falls in prices month on month. However, year on year, price growth in the premium market is currently outpacing the wider market, which is what we have been seeing here at Fine & Country. The prime market threshold has risen by over 125,000 compared to January 2021. So not all the doom and gloom like many people may try and have you believe. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope you found the information useful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch.